Hello, everyone. I'm very excited today to share some valuable insights on superfoods that are surprisingly affordable. There's often a mistaken belief that maintaining a nutrient-rich diet is synonymous with high costs, but I'm here to debunk that myth with practical examples: flax seeds and chia seeds. These little wonders are true nutritional treasures, offering a wide variety of essential nutrients at an affordable price. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and a range of vitamins and minerals important for health. Best of all, these versatile superfoods can be easily incorporated into a variety of recipes and meals. From adding them to smoothies, yogurts, and salads to using them as egg substitutes in vegan recipes, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're looking for ways to improve your health and nutrition without spending a fortune, flax and chia seeds are excellent and accessible options that you should definitely consider including in your diet. Let's enjoy the benefits of these superfoods together and break the myth that eating healthily is expensive. These little wonders are true nutritional treasures, standing out as the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 available to us. In a world where the modern diet is often dominated by processed foods and omega-6 rich oils that tend to promote inflammation and imbalances in the fatty acid profile, flax and chia seeds emerge as an oasis of nutrients. Omega-3 plays a key role in heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. By choosing to incorporate these seeds into our diet, we're making a smart choice to improve our overall health. Moreover, these seeds are rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a valuable addition to promote a balanced and healthy diet. In addition to being rich in omega-3, these seeds are also packed with fiber, protein, vitamins, and essential minerals. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in promoting digestive health, aiding in bowel regularity, and preventing issues like constipation. The proteins present in these seeds provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth, besides helping to maintain satiety. The vitamins and minerals found in flax and chia seeds are fundamental for a variety of body functions. Calcium, for example, is essential for bone health, while magnesium plays a vital role in the proper functioning of muscles and nerves. Iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen throughout the body, and it also plays a role in immune function. Best of all, these seeds are affordable and easy to find in supermarkets and health food stores. You can easily add them to your daily diet by mixing them into smoothies, salads, yogurts, or even using them as egg substitutes in vegan recipes. With just a few tablespoons a day, you can reap all the incredible health benefits these superfoods have to offer. So, the next time you're looking for an economical and nutritious way to improve your diet, remember flax and chia seeds. They're truly nutritional gems within your reach. Flaxseed is not just affordable, it's truly a nutritional treasure. Comprising about 40% fat, primarily in the form of omega-3, and complemented by fiber and protein, flaxseed is virtually free of carbohydrates. This unique composition makes flaxseed a highly nutritious and versatile superfood, which can be easily incorporated into a variety of recipes and meal plans. From adding to yogurts, smoothies, and salads to using as an ingredient in baked goods like breads and cakes, flaxseed offers a convenient way to increase the intake of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, without adding many calories or carbohydrates to your diet. Therefore, by including flaxseed in your regular diet, you're not only enjoying its impressive nutritional benefits, but also promoting optimal health and overall well-being. These seeds have the potential to revolutionize your digestive health. A small daily amount can provide a significant amount of fiber, which is essential for the proper functioning of the digestive system. Fiber helps to promote bowel regularity, prevent constipation, and contribute to overall gut health. Moreover, the high omega-3 content in flaxseed offers a range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving cardiovascular health, and promoting healthy skin. Therefore, incorporating flaxseed into your daily diet can be a simple and effective way to increase the intake of essential nutrients and improve your overall health. Chia seeds, equally rich in omega-3 proteins and fibers, offer an incredible nutritional diversity that I recommend exploring. A unique feature of chia seeds is that they can be consumed whole, making it easy to include them in the diet, unlike flaxseed, which generally needs to be ground to fully absorb its nutritional benefits. This versatility makes chia seeds a convenient option for adding to a variety of dishes and recipes, from yogurts and smoothies to salads and baking products. Moreover, the gel formed when chia seeds come into contact with liquids can be used as an egg substitute in vegan recipes or as a natural thickener for puddings and desserts. Moreover, chia seeds have a unique feature. When mixed with liquids, they form a thick gel. This gel can help promote satiety and regulate nutrient absorption, which can be beneficial for those looking to manage weight or maintain healthy blood sugar levels. However, it's important to note that while ground flaxseed offers optimal nutrient absorption, it can quickly become rancid due to its high omega-3 concentration. Therefore, it's crucial to store it properly. It's recommended to purchase ground flaxseed packaged in a protected atmosphere whenever possible. Once opened, keep it in the freezer to preserve its freshness and nutritional quality. Both flax and chia seeds are excellent sources of essential nutrients and offer a range of health benefits. From promoting digestive health to supporting cardiovascular health, these seeds are true nutritional treasures. An easy and delicious way to incorporate these superfoods into your diet is by adding them to smoothies, cereals, or yogurts. You can also sprinkle flax or chia seeds over salads, soups, or desserts for a crunchy and nutritious addition. Furthermore, flax and chia seeds are versatile enough to be used in baked goods recipes, such as bread, cakes, and cookies. Replacing part of the flour with flax or chia flour can add a significant nutritional boost to your recipes. Experiment with different ways to incorporate these superfoods into your diet and enjoy all the incredible benefits they have to offer for your health and well-being. Personally, I love adding flaxseed to my yogurt every morning. It's a practical and delicious way to incorporate these powerful seeds into my dietary routine. However, I'm really interested in learning new creative ways to use flax and chia in my meals. If you have any experience or tips on incorporating these superfoods into your diet, please share in the comments. Exchanging ideas can help us enrich our meals and make the most of the nutritional benefits of these incredible seeds. Additionally, if you enjoyed this content and want more nutrition and healthy eating tips, don't forget to like and comment. And don't miss the chance to subscribe to the channel for regular updates and continue learning about how to take care of your health through food. Together, we can spread knowledge about the benefits of truly healthy eating and inspire others to make more conscious choices. Thank you very much for your attention and participation in this journey of well-being and nutrition.